Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome to my channel, The Daily DIYer. I know we are all just incredibly busy these days, but if you've got a few minutes in your day, you can definitely squeeze these five-minute fall home decor ideas into your schedule and create some beautiful fall decor for your home. So let's go ahead and we're gonna jump right in. So this first project, we're actually going to take one of these really great Dollar Tree brooms and update it a little bit. As much as I love this cute little scarecrow, to give it more of a farmhouse look. So I have some leftover stems from other projects that are all from the Dollar Tree ribbon, and also one of Dollar Tree's metal words. So these came in a set. I'm not sure if they have these anymore. Let me know down in the comments below if you've seen these in your Dollar Tree this fall. I love them. I hope I can find them again, but this one is from last year. I also have scissors, some jute. We're gonna work on that with the bow and my hot glue gun. So I'm gonna take this all apart first and I'll start redecorating it up.
So I kept this broom pretty simple after I removed everything. I made a simple bow to go at the top. I have a full tutorial on how to create bows like this, and I'll link that up in the iCards for more details. But basically, I just added 5 equal-sized loops on each side and a smaller one in the middle before tying off a center with some jute, and that's what I used to attach it to the broom with some hot glue. I also added the metal piece to the front and forgoed any kind of flowers, as I thought it looked really cute just keeping it simple.
I absolutely love the look of layered rugs. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it too, but they can get pricey. So we're gonna do one Dollar Tree style. I have one of these all-weather mats. This one's super cute. It's got a wreath that says grateful. Perfect for fall. And then I have 2 of their woven rugs. So this rug is literally going to cost us $3 to make. That's amazing. You're also going to need some kind of glue or fabric glue. This is fabric hot glue sticks. I know, I had never heard of those until this year, and I'll put these down in my my description box. They'll be in my Amazon favorites store along with my glue gun. I actually have 2 glue guns, so I keep this one with my regular glue sticks and I keep this one for my hot glue sticks or my fabric glue sticks, so that way it doesn't run, I don't have to like run a whole stick through and waste it, just so I can use my fabrics. I actually have 2 glue guns, so that's kind of an FYI, and a kind of a trick. Let's go ahead and put this mat together.
I will say this project actually didn't even take a whole 5 minutes. It was super quick and fast and easy. I removed all of the tags off of the rugs first and then just overlapped them in the center just a little bit. You don't want to overlap them too much because you'll get a big bulky center area that you don't want. So I put hot glue down half of the center first, placed my rug overlapping and trying to make them even, and then added hot glue to the second half. That gave me a little bit of time before my glue dried to adjust this and get it just right. And then you can, if you want, cut down your all-weather rug or the Grateful rug so you have a little bit more of the overlapping showing. However, I thought it was pretty much the perfect size, so I didn't even cut down my Grateful rug at all. It's completely up to you, but this is a great size for an entryway or inside your kitchen. It was so fast and easy, and like I said, only cost $3.
Now we're gonna make an arrow and basically make it chalkboard. So this arrow you could erase and write something else on and make it work for different seasons or holidays. So this is chalkboard paint. I found this at Walmart. I have a foam paintbrush. I'm gonna apply it probably at least 2 coats on to this arrow that is from Dollar Tree. And then I just have some regular everyday chalk to write once it's dry.
This is a pretty important part of this project. You want to take your chalk and actually run it over the entire piece. This does two things. First, it gives it a really cool aged look, and it also will prevent you from having harsh chalk lines when you go to erase it the next time. So it kind of fills in all of the pores, and then the next time you go to erase and rewrite, you won't be able to see what you had previously written. I also have to plug my brand new fall home decor line. You can now go to TheDailyDIYer.com and shop exclusive fall home decor items designed by me that you will only be able to find on my site. You can go to TheDailyDIYer.com, and I'll also have that linked down in the description box below.
All right, so this really would be a 5-minute project if all of my pumpkins were orange. So I would suggest finding orange pumpkins if you can. My Dollar Tree did not have enough for what I was wanting to do in the orange, so I grabbed these cream colored ones instead. So I have to paint all of my pumpkins, and maybe you want to do that anyway too, so you can make them whatever color you want or make them rustic. And then what we're going to do is, actually I'm going to flip mine over and take the stickers off and then paint them. And then I have these poster stickers that are also from Dollar Tree, and we're going to spell out the word fall.
Here's a look at my pumpkins after I removed the stickers from the back. I also took off the raffia bows from the fronts and set those aside because I'll be using those again to reapply later. Here I'm just adding 2 coats of the orange chalk paint to the backs and sides of the pumpkins, letting them dry in between. After my orange paint had dried, I decided I wanted to age these pumpkins a little bit more. So I took some brown acrylic paint and just added some to the edges, a little bit to the middle, and even took a towel to sort of wipe some of it off. And just let those dry before adding my stickers to the front, my poster stickers that are also from Dollar Tree. And then I re-glued on the raffia bows to the stems.
And now we're going to turn this Dollar Tree bottle that kind of mimics a jug. I actually really like these. They have like a really cool vintage kind of look. We're going to turn it into a pumpkin using chalk paint on the bottom. I am going to put the orange, and then I'm going to wrap the top with my jute. Add a couple leaves. These are from Hobby Lobby. I think they're eucalyptus leaves. I don't know. Any kind of green leaf. To make it look like a pumpkin leaf will work, so I have my hot glue to add that. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
I would love to hear which one of these projects was your favorite. You can leave those down in the comments below. I hope you find time in your day to create one of these for your own home's decor. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the bell and select all so you get notified when new tutorials and ideas are released. And you'll also see more fall ideas popping up on your screen that you can check out next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.